The most common triggers for headaches fall into three separate categories. One is lifestyle factors, two is your sleep position, and then three is things associated with chronic neck pain. The first lifestyle factor that will trigger headaches is light sensitivity. So if you're spending a lot of time in fluorescent lighting, this can cause eye strain, and that eye strain can lead to headaches. So the headaches may not be coming from your neck, but it is one trigger for headaches in general. Another common trigger for headaches is poor hydration. You have to make sure that you're staying hydrated, you're drinking enough water throughout the day. The other thing that you have to make sure that you're monitoring is your caffeine intake. If you drink too much caffeine, it's going to cause you to use the restroom more, and in that case, you need to increase your water intake as well. So make sure you're monitoring both those throughout the day. Another common trigger for headaches is food sensitivities. Sometimes people have underlying food sensitivities that don't turn into a huge allergic reaction. So for example, some people with allergic reactions might go into shock if they eat a certain food. If you have a food sensitivity, you might just get a headache, you might get a migraine, you might get an upset stomach, you might have to go to the bathroom. So there's many different types of symptoms you can get from food sensitivities. If you see that your headaches are correlated with what you eat, just pay attention and then see if you can tease out what food is causing it. Poor posture is another trigger for headaches. The reason is because we put a lot of strain on some of our key neck muscles. Poor posture usually involves your head moving forward, so this is called a forward head posture, and it also involves a rounding of the shoulders. If you spend too much time in this position, you're creating an increased length in the muscles back here and in some of the muscles of the neck. But we're also shortening the muscles that are usually responsible for headaches. So imagine imagine walking around and contracting your bicep all day long. It's probably not going to feel good. That is what happens when you sit with bad posture and can trigger headaches. Another common trigger for headaches is sleeping with the wrong kind of pillow. If your pillow is too soft for your sleep position, too firm for your sleep position, or you have a memory foam pillow and you're sleeping in the wrong way with it, this can also cause neck pain. So you need to consider your sleep position and the type of pillow that you're using when you are having headaches. The last trigger we're going to talk about is chronic neck pain and where it comes from, because chronic neck pain will lead to headaches almost 100% of the time. Most people will actually get headaches after they've had neck pain for a period of time. So it's important that we address this. Where does chronic neck pain come from? It comes from weakness in some of the muscles of the neck. It also comes from weakness in some of the muscles in the upper back. So by strengthening some of our neck muscles, strengthening some of our upper back muscles, it can actually help us fight off chronic neck pain and get rid of headaches. So by treating the cause of the problem, we can also get rid of them. So again, that final trigger for headaches is chronic neck pain. If you're struggling with headaches on a daily basis, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, give us some feedback in the comments about some questions that you have, and we'll be happy to shoot content and make sure that we address any questions that you have.